The PHP programming language exists in both the procedural and object-oriented realms. A procedural language executes one statement at a time, like the C programming language. An object-oriented language uses objects to define complex data structures that include methods or functions. As a review or brief introduction, object-oriented programming involves objects and classes. A class is a template for building an object, and an object is an occurrence of a class. You start with a class that describes some data. For example, you define a person class, which describes various attributes of a person. You use this class to create an object. Use the object in your code to represent the information. Objects have properties and methods. The properties are its data. For example, the person class may have a name and age properties. Methods work like functions. The person class may have functions that let you set the person's name and age. Here's an example of creating a class and then using an object of that class. The class construct declares the kitty class. It contains a single property, a name string. The new keyword creates an object from the class, naming it cat1. Here, the name property for cat1 is set. The hyphen greater than operator references the object's property. Then the object is used. Here's the output. In this update to the code, I've added a method to the kitty class. Says is a function, but within a class it becomes a method in the class. It just returns this string. I also added a statement down here to output the results. In the format, the object name comes first, then the hyphen greater than operator, and the method written in this format. The updated output. Some of the things you do in PHP can be done fully procedurally or fully object-oriented, and you can mix them. It's your preference. Your challenge is to modify the last version of the code presented in this video. Add another property to the kitty class, age. Make its visibility public. Add another method to the kitty class, which returns the age value in human years. Assume that 1 cat year is equal to 8 human years. It's not, but assume it is. Name this new method human years. In object-oriented programming, use the this variable to represent properties within the current class. So the age property is referenced as this age. Here's the output from my solution, which you can check after you complete the challenge.